I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and we're going to create random passwords from a set of alphanumeric characters in Rust. I didn't even bother with trying to remember that. I totally messed up the last one. If you saw the previous video of generating random values, yeah, you'll know. So let's create a new cargo project called Create Random Passwords from a set of alpha numeric characters. And then let's change into that directory. All right. Let's update the cargo.toml to have one dependency, namely rand version 0.8.5. That's it. Save the file, close it, open main.rs. We can just delete it. Excuse me. Just ate some blue corn tortilla chips and drank all my water. Didn't prepare well for this video. All right. So, a couple use statements. Use rand thread RNG and then up RNG. Then we'll also use rand distributions alpha numeric. Sweet. And let's get our main function body. And so we'll do let rand string, and that'll be a type string, equals thread RNG. Actually, and then we'll do a sample iter, and then a reference to alphanumeric. And let's do a dot take 30 dot map char from dot collect. And then finally, we'll get our print statement or a println macro to output our random string. Let's see what that looks like. So downloading the rand crate, building our app, then we output a random string. Let's do it again. And one more time for good measure. Awesome. This was a quick tour of creating random passwords from a set of alphanumeric characters. You can see how you might want to tweak this, and we can even adjust how many characters are there. So this will return a shorter password. Similarly, we could increase the number of characters and get a much longer string. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you learned a little bit. I did. Had some fun too. I'm Alex. This was Code Along with Alex, and hope to see you next time.